Hi, my name is Peter and today we're going to be talking about shirts and ties. So we've now put the shirt on, we've got the top button done and we're ready to fit the long tie. First of all, we're going to put it over our head and raise it down. You want to have the short side about halfway down the longer tie. Bring it together, bring this side over and pinch it with your finger. We then pass this part of the tie underneath, off to the side and bring it over the top. Re-pinch with your hand here and we're going to tuck this piece up and underneath. You can see it coming underneath here. We're going to pull it all the way through and then we're going to tuck it back inside this loop. A bit difficult to get hold of, but you can see it starting to come through here. We're going to pull it all the way down. This forms the knot. Going to tighten it to where the height you want it to do. Then by holding the small section, you can bring the tie up to the location where you want it. A little bit of tightening again, pinch that, and now you've made a perfect tie. Sometimes if you have a silk tie or a tie with a shiny surface, you're going to need to do a different knot. And this is referred to as a Windsor knot. Now most people believe it's called a Windsor knot because it was developed by the Duke of Windsor in England. Well, actually it wasn't. It was by a tailor called Domenico Scapino in the 1930s. Came up with this for that very reason, that the silk ties were starting to fall down. So earlier we did the single slip knot. I'm now going to demonstrate a single Windsor knot. And that is for a more slippery tie like a silk. It starts off in the same way as a single knot. You're going to bring that tail shorter on this side. We're going to cross over, pass this side underneath, and then bring it all the way over. Exactly the same as we did before. But this time, we're going to bring it up inside and around one side. Go round again, creating a slightly wider knot, and then come up and underneath, as we did with a simple slip knot. Bring it out and tuck it down inside here to form the knot. You can see it's making a much wider knot. That's fine. It'd also be much shorter than a normal slip knot because you're using more material, and you keep working it till you get it to the position you want, and a fine little pinch here to create the shape. Okay. Might have seemed quite complicated to put it together, but it's very simple to remove. Take this side here and slide out the one and pull it round. Thank you for watching the mini-series. I hope you found the information useful. Follow the QR code at the end of the video. And don't forget, at Satin Lace Bridal Boutique, you don't have to stress to look your best.